Hello YouTube. Well, today's the day, guys. Today's the day we unveil our surprise. I'm super excited about it. It's probably going to be one of the biggest projects ever here. It will be for a lot of time to come. A lot of guys just dream about having a motorcycle like one of these. Are you guys ready for it? Let's go take a look and see what we got. Yep. If you know, you know. That there is a 1974 Z1 900. That's right, guys. 1974 Kawasaki Z1. According to the owner, it doesn't need much. He just wants it to be a driver, guys. He just wants to ride the thing and enjoy it again. So it's not going to be a full restoration by no means. But we're going to make this thing shine again. But that's that. Okay. So this is the one we're going to start on first. Because this is the one that the owner actually wants to drive himself. So payment for getting this thing going again and getting it back on the road, and I guess we're going to call it a revival. So payment to revive this one, he's given us this one. This here is a 1973 Z1. I can't wait to get my hands on this one, guys. They were both supposedly running when parked. We know how that goes. I see a lot of work, guys, but it's going to be well worth it. This one here does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. It's a Vance & Hines. It's really the same one that we have on our 1980 CB750. But it did come with the actual original exhaust, which I'm still thinking about which one I'm going to use. I'm not really sure yet, guys. But yeah, that one right there, that's the 1973 Kawasaki Z1, is the newest addition to Workhouse Customs. But in order for me to obtain this motorcycle, we've got to revive this one. So you're going to be seeing a lot of this one in the next several videos. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. We're in no rush here. But as you can see, I'm going to have to order up some parts and all. Unfortunately, I'm not sure for how long, but they were garage kept, but then they were put outside under a carport, and this one, unfortunately, for some reason they took the spark plugs out of 3 of the holes while it sat outside, so this could be kind of challenging. And one of the owner's requests was to swap these bars here, which I kind of dig those, for the bars on the 73, which are more original, and those are pretty comfortable. That's fine with me. I kind of like the look of these flatter ones here. More of a straight bar. Kind of like that. But reading the mileage there. 6,121 miles, guys. That's the 1974 Z1. I never thought I'd own a Z1. And the 1973 has 20,184 miles. And yes, those are all original. The 73 actually has the original key tag. I'll try to clean that up too and bring it back to life. And also, the side cover is not the original side cover for this one. It's missing the badge, of course. So I'm going to be looking for the paint codes. We don't have too good a light today, but this one is the metallic brown color. I have to do my research on that. I really like that color a lot. Gonna be looking for the badge, of course, and the paint code, so I could hopefully get that painted up myself. But yeah, this one's it's a little rustier or rougher around the edges, but it's going to be clean when we get done with it. This one right here is more all original. The paint's in much better condition, believe it or not. Love the blue too, guys. So that is it. That's the exciting news that I've been talking about my last couple of videos. And if you know, you know. Some of you can understand just what we got here. Awesome bike. Honestly, the first super bike. Back in the early 70s, nothing could beat these things. There you go, guys. We're gonna start the process by cleaning these things up. Of course, I'm gonna do one at a time, so you guys get to watch me go through this one at a time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some parts ordered up. We're gonna start making more content on these guys. So if you're into it, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. All right, appreciate you watching, and be sure to tune back into this one. Well, that's it, all pressure washed. Looking pretty damn good already. I know it's wet and all, but this ain't a full restoration, but we're gonna go pretty much every nut and bolt on this one. Gonna clean everything as we go. We're just not gonna do anything to take any value away from it, but it's already looking so much better, guys. Will it ever run again? Okay, YouTube, that's going to wrap it up for this episode of the 1974 Z1 900. If you haven't already, go ahead and like the video, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, hit that hype button if you see it. It really helps me out a lot. Be sure to tune in next time. Thanks for watching, guys.